Sunday, beautiful people. So, let's talk about Riva yesterday. It was so good. We had a great time. No, I did not. I don't know. I was just so over busy. I was sharing the food and just make sure everything is going okay and everything. So, I just didn't bother getting into the river. But the water looked so blue, as you guys can see. So blue, so clear. It was such a vibe. So everybody had a great time. The food was good. Everything was good. So super happy about that. Our friend group were thinking to do this a little bit more often. We always go to parties. We do go to town for a specific time, like events and stuff like that, but never. Well, we do go river one time, but we're trying to make this like an official thing that we do probably every 2 months, every 3 months to go a river, go a beach, get together, stuff like that, apart from us going out in the nightlife. So yeah, it was good and I hope you guys enjoy those short clips. There was somebody there on the river playing loud music, like you guys don't even know, so it was impossible to talk to you guys. Anyways, we're going to be doing a facial sheet mask for today. I bought this at a hair store. So this is from guys. So this is from Absolute New York. It says plumbing facial sheet mask. Instant plums and glows, tighten pores, brighten skin complexion. So it has in seed bee complex, aloe vera, which is good, chestnut, pellicle, and althana rosa root extracts, if I'm pronouncing that good. So we're gonna try this face mask. I haven't done anything facial for a while other than my daily routine, but I'm realizing I am getting a lot of white spots. They are coming back, so my face really needs a steam. A steam is what I should have probably done today, and steam extractions, and then I go ahead and finish or do a face mask probably like down in the week. But honestly guys, I just want to relax today. We had a very long day at a river, so I really just want to relax. So this is very, very wet. Just trying to open it. Just don't want to drop it, okay? But separate apart from that, how are you guys doing? Oh my god. Be careful with it. It's so big. I do have a tiny face. It's a little bit too big and I don't want it to get into my hair and all of that. Did it say how many minutes you should let it stay for? It didn't. It did not at all. So I'm just gonna leave it on just for a few minutes. Probably like, how long do you keep on a face mask? I need to Google. So I'm gonna do that and just let it stay probably like 50 minutes. You know what? Let me go ahead and check. I'm gonna use Google. I'm not gonna use ChatGPT. Nor do I have the app on my phone. I just use a browser, ChatGPT, whenever I need. Oh, guys, my internet is off. So from Friday, since I've been working, I got on Friday morning, my internet has not been working. Like, it's been in and out, in and out. Yesterday, I wasn't here. Saturday. This morning, I woke up, the internet is in and out, in and out. So I don't have any internet right now. I'm actually quite annoyed. But yeah, we're gonna leave this on. I'll just leave it like a 15 minutes because, I don't like stuff on my face too long. And yeah, for the agenda today though, nothing. I know I need to figure out what I'm gonna have for dinner, but I haven't as yet. So I may run to the supermarket. If I do run to the supermarket, of course, I'll take you guys there. But honestly, I'm just thinking to ask my mom for some dinner. And then tomorrow figure out the food for the rest of the week. I'm just gonna think about it, just relax with this on my face. Hoping the internet comes back, and during the interim I just figure out what I'm gonna do. But no internet, no YouTube, no Netflix. I don't have any data on my phone, so I'm just gonna go relax in my couch and figure out life basically. Write down some stuff that I need to do for this week. I think that sounds like a plan. Guys, not me falling asleep in the couch with this thing on my face. So I think it's been around 20 minutes right now, and it still has moisture, it's not dry. So I'm just gonna remove it from my face. Wow. Yeah. It has a lot of moisture. Let's put this back in the pack and throw it away. I'm trying to figure out how my face feels. The thing about this though, they never gave any instructions on it. Like how many minutes or whatever, like I said, but it's whatever. I know I need to do more of these face masks. I also need to steam my face, like I told you, all the whiteheads within this area, the T-zone area on the hair, my chin, that they are getting out of hand. So probably be in the week or on the weekend I'll just do like a whole facial at home. Again, it's been a few months. But yeah, I'm just gonna, the internet is still not back. I still haven't figured out what I'm gonna have for dinner, if I'm just gonna get something by the supermarket or go by my mom. I really haven't figured that out. Like I told you, I fell asleep. I took a power 20-minute nap. So I'm just gonna go back in the couch, and then when I figure it out, we'll figure it out. I'll let you guys know. When I figure it out, you guys will know. But I don't know. I really don't know, guys. I don't know. Don't tell me what to do. I don't know. Because at the end of the day, if I don't go to the supermarket today, I'm gonna have to go tomorrow Monday. And I'm gonna go on. If I'm not gonna go to the supermarket today, I'm gonna go buy my mom to the food. Why not just go to the supermarket so I don't have to go on the road tomorrow? You know what I'm saying? Like, guys, I don't know what to do. I need you all to talk to me and tell me what to do. I don't know, but you know what? I know I will make a decision. I just need to go. I'm just gonna go back, go lie down. I will figure it out eventually, and I'll let you guys know.
Told you this before, but you outshine.
Yo, it is 4:21 in the afternoon, and I'm in Island Grill line. Island Grill is like a fast food place. So I literally just got up. I got up 20 minutes ago, and I checked the time, and it was like 4 o'clock. And I'm like, after 4, and I was like, no, I need to get up, stop sleeping. I've literally slept all day. The last time I spoke to y'all, I slept all day. Plus, I told you the internet wasn't, in. So the internet came back, like, because I think I got up like around after 3, because I heard my phone going off, and then I went back to sleep. So basically the internet went away for the entire day, right? In the entire day. And I slept the entire day. So I'm just going to grab me some fast food. The supermarket is still open, but honestly, I'm just not in the mood to, going and walk up and down. And when I go to the supermarket, guys, I take my own time, take my trolley, take my own time, and I'm gonna pick up stuff that I don't want to pick up. So to avoid that, right, I'm just gonna eat some fast food today, and then tomorrow I prepare my mind to figure out what exactly I'm gonna have for dinner, breakfast and dinner for this week. It's a brand new week. May is ending quite, it's going to be ending in a week and a half, 2 weeks basically. That's crazy. And then we're in June, and then we're 6 months into the year. How are you guys feeling about that? Let me know what I feel about the year being 6 months. We're almost in the 6th month of the year. Let me know how y'all feeling. Anyways, I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. And they have chicken, so I'm gonna get jerk chicken and maybe corn and a vegetable. But I want something that's gonna fill my belly because I'm gonna eat right now at 4. And then I'm not gonna go to bed early, so I'm gonna get enough food so I can split it for now, and then when I'm hungry again later, because I literally have nothing in my house. The only thing I have is eggs. Cereal, I don't have no cereal. I don't have nothing like that. And I cooled off the cereal too for like 2 weeks. So the Frosted Flakes that I normally buy, I'm gonna stop having that. So I'm a Cheerios person, okay? I'm gonna check if having Cheerios is good for fibroids, but I know I'm gonna buy one of those cereal that has like the nuts and them something in there, which I more than likely probably not gonna like. But yeah, I'm just gonna do some research on what cereal I could eat. The thing is, I don't like yogurt too, so that's something I have to go practice and get myself into, to eating yogurt. Let me turn on my AC because I'm getting a little bit hot. Can you guys see me? Yeah, I am. I don't know. I'm just like not like a yogurt type of person, but I'm gonna practice and get into it because it's healthy. And I know I need to eat blueberries, so I've been adjusting my diet, which is a good thing. I'm really not feeling to eat chicken for this week, so I'm just gonna probably get fish. You know what? I'm thinking inside the store would have been less people instead of for me to come in the drive-through. Anyways, my friend had gave me this purse for my birthday in February. It's so cute. I like because I feel like I just want to go back to sleep. I know when once I'm finished eating again, I'm gonna feel sleepy. I am gonna feel sleepy after I eat this food. The thing is, I may have to buy rice. Oh my god. I don't want any veggie chunks. Yeah, I'm gonna buy chicken. I'm gonna buy leg and thigh. I'm gonna buy rice, corn. I can't remember. They have this whole like different combo thing that you can get. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out what to buy though. By the way, it was raining when I left out my house. It stopped raining now, but it was raining when I left out. So it's been a rainy Sunday apparently. Thank you. Yeah. So I ordered me my food. I got the Yad style yaba. So it's curry chicken, rice and peas, festival, ripe plantain, and steamed vegetables. I was gonna take the jerk chicken, but like, yeah, I haven't had curry in a while. I haven't cooked curry in a while too. So I was like, let me just get the curry chicken. Yeah, and they have like burgers too and stuff like that, but I don't want none of that. I don't want no burger. I want a burger when I go Burger King. And they do have like an option where you get steamed veg only with the choice of meat, but I didn't want to get that. I figured I should have ordered a drink, but I have drink at home, so I'm not gonna be bothered with that. Guys, got my food, so I'm on my way back home. I'm gonna show you guys what I get, how the food is. It feels so heavy. I better not eat it off in one go. No, I'm gonna split it. It's 4:46 right now. So the food didn't take long, around 20 minutes. Well, our fast food in Jamaica does not take 5 minutes. Okay, let's just save it. Ooh, and the sun is coming back out pretty. All Alright, I know my phone is shaking and ooh, the sun. Yeah, I'm gonna check you guys when I reach in back. Because I need to concentrate on the road. Ooh, so that pothole always gets me. See, alright guys, I am home. Let me show you guys my dinner. Am I starving? Not really. I'm not starving right now, but I was starving when I was in my sleep. I wouldn't say starving, but I felt hungry, in my sleep. So let's see what we have today. So this is a box, quite heavy. You guys probably won't even be able to see from that angle. So here, I'll show you guys. Ooh, these that planting is fat. That's a fat ass planting. Yeah, so we got our curry chicken, steamed veg. That steamed veg is very, very tiny. Festival, rice and peas, and the plantain, which I haven't had in probably like 2 weeks now. I need to get some plantain for breakfast. All right, so I'm just gonna share out some of the food right now. Have my dinner, turn on some YouTube. I have a few people that need to watch today. Then, yeah, we're just gonna relax for the rest of the Sunday. We don't have any cleaning to do. Like I mean, if you have been watching my channel for most of the times, I don't really do cleaning on Sundays. I normally do it within the week, during the week, or if I'm gonna be doing anything on the weekend, it's normally like some quick thing, because I've already cleaned throughout the week. Yeah, but we're just gonna eat right now. I'm tired. You guys will catch me sometime in another video somewhere, home, anywhere. But no, I want to eat right now. The food smells really good.